Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing fantastic. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today is Friday. Today is Friday, the special day for the Muslim Ummah, the Muslim community. It is called the Eid Day. When this day comes, I feel very happy. I feel very peace in my mind as well as my heart. And every Muslim who perform Jummah prayer this day, they really get peace in their heart. And I am making this video before Jummah prayer. After finishing this video, I will go to mosque. This is really amazing day today. This is also public holiday. You know, many countries today is the public holiday. And you can see behind me, this is the bamboo garden. Whenever I get leisure time, I try to come in this place. And it is really to look at. This is charming place, I say. A lot of bamboos here and there. You cannot imagine, every year I sell many bamboos and earn a lot of money. And this is eye-catching place. I can say you. This is charming. This hypnotize me sometimes. Whenever I come this place, this hypnotize me. Amazing to look at. People come in this area because it is rare area, I think. Our main road is opposite side from this. It is totally a peace and it is totally peaceful place. And there is a small bird here and there. They are chirping each other. Okay, thank you so much.